Guys, so we're heading out right now, and I mean, like, I can see a problem over here straight away. I'm gonna try to zoom in here. We're feeding the birds over there. The problem is, when it has been snowing like this, the birds who like feed off the ground, they're gonna have a really hard time. So it sucks to be them. But no, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna, what you call it? Skyffla. I'm gonna shovel some snow. Yeah, it's perfect. The snow is heavy, all right. You can see a very long way to go, and I'm not out of breath. It just sounds so in the video. Let's just finish the last part. Yeah, do something nice for ourselves maybe. I mean, I don't know if you can see on the video. Yeah, you can. They want to eat those, and like they've been going around and trying, but I just thought I'm gonna help them out. Okay guys, I think I've done my part in the community of the birds. Now, give me wings! Oh. Alright guys, I'm back inside, and I think we need like another
cup of tea, don't you think?
I'll be
Some Russian Earl Grey.
sorry for the accent.
I know my way around.
Sorry, I don't mean to offend anyone, and this is the internet, so I probably already did. Sorry! Take a look at this.
You still mad, bro?
And of course we're gonna bring the sugar as well. Easy, man. I've done my part, I've been good, and let's just relax. This, we don't really need this. You're gonna make fire. You get paper. Just take some pieces and put it together. No, we don't want them lying around like this. It's gonna burn super fast. Sorry for being a bit unfocused, but you know how I was shoveling. Alfons! Yeah, that's my cat, you know. Mott! Mott! That's what I say when I'm gonna feed him. Mott! Mott! Mott equals food. Oh. I was looking at him a bit too much. I forgot to... I should have put down those before I lighted the fire, but as I said, my cat struck me. I think we'll get something going with this anyway. Surely it would have been a lot better if I would have put on the sticks before I lighted it, but you know, I can't rewind time. As I said. Alfons, you camper! My eyes, man. Since my last video like just blew up and I got so many comments just asking for maybe I would do like a following a Bob Ross tutorial, and I mean like he's a god, and I got the skill of maybe a highly talented 3-year-old who've been painting his or her whole life, or maybe the half life, but I mean like still. But guess what? This video get 10 likes. I'ma do it, man. Sorry. Bort därifrån. Alfons! Good boy.
Sorry.
Förlåt. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I threw a snowball at my cat.
But it wasn't hard.
Oh. You better live a life.